Hello and welcome to step 5. We open our file. Here we see the other masses which we created in the steps before are hidden. Now we want to reveal our buildings. Click here on the light ball. Here we can see all of our masses. We click the light ball again. Now we zoom in and we are going to divide our surface. We select our surface and click divide surface. Here we see we got a grid applied on our surface. We can modify it by changing values in our option bar. We want the U grid to have a distance of 2 meters and the V grid distance of 5 meters. You can also select a variety of patterns for your surface. For example, hexagon or a rhomboid, rectangle checkboard, and rectangle. Now we want to create a custom grid. We hide our pattern, activate surface. We move in our top view, and in our properties palette, we change the layout of the V grid to none. And we are ready to draw the intersections for our grid. We select line, select placement plane, level 1. Now we draw our intersections. Select our surface, click on intersect, and select our lines. We click here on finish. And now we have created our custom grid. We can modify our intersections. Just click the line and move around a little bit. Now we want to hide our lines. We select them. Deselect visible. And also hide them temporary. Select here our sunglasses and click on hide element. Now we move a little bit around in our 3D view. Take a look at our grid. Now we want to place a curtain wall panel on our surface. Switch into our insert tab. Select load family. Look in our additional folder and select rectangle panel. We select our grid. Click here in our properties and select rectangle panel. Now our panel has been placed on our surface. We want to make some further adjustments. We select our surface. In our properties palette, we select here border tile overhanging. With this option, none of our panels have been cut. We select now empty. Now only the panels are shown which are not cut by the borders. Now we want to place one of our panels. Our panels are adaptive components, which gives you the possibility to place them easily on our surface. We switch in our contextual tab and click here on surface to see the grid lines of our surface. Now we switch in our project browser, open families, curtain panel, by pattern, rectangle panel, click here glazed. Move it into our project. We zoom a little bit in. And now we select different points to place our element. So that's it for our 5th step. And in the 6th step, we're going to create a custom curtain wall panel.